On that minority, you never start. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. I'm in prison, yeah. Straight out the trenches.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kamaya. If you're not new here, welcome back. Seen in the title of this video, it is going to be a maintenance vlog. I'm only doing 3 maintenances this time. Just three. It's gonna be one today is Sunday, and then Tuesday, and then Wednesday, because I don't put my appointments on the same days. I don't know how girls be doing that, but don't mind how I'm looking right now. I just got up not too long ago. My voice is a little I went out last night. Alcohol 1, Kimye 0. I still got the same bun in. It's kind of low-key still sleep down. I ain't even tied up last night. I just went straight to sleep. But I digress. We still got stuff to do today. I have a hair appointment at 2 o'clock, and it is currently 11:59, so I need to make it snappy and go wash and blow dry my hair. I need to take a shower, and then hopefully I'll have time to stop for food because I haven't ate nothing since like yesterday. I'm about to wash my hair, and yeah.
It's different when I'm sitting there alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody.
Okay, I'm making good time. It is 12:22. Shrinkage be, I look like Frederick Douglass. Oh Lord. I heard that shrinkage tells you your hair is healthy because it's retaining the moisture, so don't look at shrinkage as a bad thing. I mean, hey, they said it's good. Only 3 things I use is bamboo silk. My hand's ashy. This is a leave-in heat protectant. Bio silk to get my hair real flowy. Key thing is to getting your hair real straight and smooth with a blowout, and not blow dry your hair on wet ass hair. Like, it should be damp, yeah. Soaking wet hair, no. Like, you condition your hair. You see how hair be like doing tricks? What do you do that for? We're gonna do the tension method. I'm just gonna do my whole head.
She give me the yes. Make her arch her back. She give me the best. She give me the X. Walk inside that bank, they give me the check. Make her cool crap with her money spent. Give her old stick, army vet. Keep my new chicks and on me wet. Pat it on my neck, arm, leg.
On my knee, college begin, hop off a chick, barely get rich, cash to no more, I get a check. She selling run on my pants and my jeans, Chanel a dress, clean up a mess, I eat a flesh, you know the rest, count up 100, couple Rolex, shine like the sun, you truly blessed.
Hair is done. Why the hell? I'm looking back at the footage. I recorded all that shit in slow motion. All of it in slow motion, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to speed it up or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with it. But hair came out cute. She braided all my hopes, thoughts, dreams, and ambitions up in there. It's cute. It's cute. Yeah. I'm back. I'm about to go get my lashes done. It's 4:48. My appointment is at 5 o'clock. But these things look at them. Ugh, like, I need to feel so bad. I was supposed to get a wax yesterday, but I wasn't feeling good, so I had to reschedule. So I'm about to go get my lashes done. I feel better today. These allergies is, yeah. But yeah, I'm about to go get my lashes done. It's right around the corner. I'm about to show y'all how fast I can get there. I'm so excited to get them done because, baby, these look a hot mess. Like, they look like, they just not cute. Like, super excited to go get them done, actually. So let's get over there before I'm actually late. Okay, y'all, look. I'm about to show y'all how fast I can get from my house to a lash appointment. So, leaving out of my house, right here. And boom, I'm here. Not even like 2 minutes away for real.
Hey, Kamaya's YouTube.
Now say your tag.
If you want to get your lashes done, book with ki.minks. Yeah. Up a little bit. Yeah. What you need me to do?
You're gonna have to press the record button.
Last kind of the day, so like we can take our time with it and get you some good content.
Woo!
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake.
Okay, so lashes are done. Good little lash snap. Allergies was trying to fuck up in there. We made it through, like, look at me. I feel like myself again, like, because my lashes was looking like non-existent. As always, she ate. If you're in the DFW area, specifically Arlington, book with my girl. I'm with her for like 2.5, 3 years. Tap in. And I'm done. Okay, y'all. I made it to my wax appointment. Last day of the maintenance vlog. I'm late as fuck. I'm like 6 minutes late. So let me go up in here before they try to not wax this cat. Oh my god.
Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. I'm in prison, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga got his own seats, yeah.
This is my wax fit. You always gotta loose pants, no drawers, with some Crocs. That's always the wax fit because you want to stay loose. You don't want to rubbing once you get done.
Start a YouTube channel.
Do it. It's fun. Literally anything you want. YouTube is a free for all. Not the podcast. I really don't have that much hair, but like these ingrowns been playing with me. For my first little, not too shabby. I hate being a girl. Girls just have to do the most stupid stuff. I mean, we don't have to, but like, it's fun. Like the results, not the process. They got thin?
Yeah, like really.
Hey, that's your favorite thing to hear when you wax it. Woo! She's getting the lips. Oh, that wasn't too bad. We almost there. We like 55%. I recommend sugaring because it's water, lemon, and sugar. Your skin more smooth. It's less aggressive than hard wax, which is with the wax, and they let it dry and then rip it off, and it's less aggressive. Like, that's the best part. Less painful to me. Hair got thinner, so yay. Okay, y'all, so that concludes this maintenance vlog. I wish I would have got my nails done, but like, look how grown out these are. To soak these off, I've got these before I went to Mexico, and that was like last month, so they not lifted at all. And I just want to give my nails a break, and then I'm gonna do them next week, a little week break. But yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe before clicking off, and also hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye.